Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change language in the Meta Business Suite. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Meta, I need you to click on the Start Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the language in Meta Business Suite is a straightforward and an easy process but can be beneficial for you, particularly if you manage a global business or work with a client or freelancers in a diverse team. Because switching to a preferred or native language can make it easier for users to navigate and understand the Meta Business Suite interface, leading to a more intuitive experience. For example, if your team speaks of different languages, changing the language settings can accommodate their preferences and enhance collaboration by ensuring everyone can work on their preferred language. All right. Now, in my experience, my client and my boss operates in multiple countries, so adjusting the language settings to match regional teams' languages can streamline the operations and communications. Now, I need you to go to the Meta Business Suite if you haven't already. Alright, make sure that you are on the Facebook page. And for you to distinguish if it's a personal or a Facebook page, you must see these tools and options so that you are on the right track. Now, click on Settings. And of course, from here, now here, I need you to hover to the upper right corner, click on the Settings and Privacy once more, and you would be able to see that option that says Language. Alright, now you might want to click on the View All Settings for you to tweak and customize all of it. Alright, now you see for the app language or the account language, you see buttons, tiles, and other text in your preferred language. For example, the communications to you, such as account emails or notifications, will be in this language. If you wanted to choose a different language right here, alright, so it's up to you. For example, if you are on the different countries, you might want to choose all of these depending on your comfort level or your preferences. Otherwise, you can also go to the region format or post from friends and pages, language you'd like to have post translated into. All right, so it's another option that you can choose, that giving you the flexibility in choosing the comfort level that you have. All right. And languages you don't want to be offered translation to, you have the view one and all the languages here. It's up to you on what you wanted to do this, all right? And languages you don't want automatically translated, you can choose from all these following all languages, all right? Now, remember, for businesses operating in multiple countries, and if you are targeting customers or clients in specific regions, changing the language setting here can help you better understand the regional preferences and ensure that marketing and communication are appropriately localized. And of course, it helps ensure that the platform aligns with your team's needs, improves and enhances the effectiveness of your business operations, all right? Because users now can work on their preferred language, are likely to be more efficient and productive, leading to a better performance. And again, all you're gonna do is click on Save once you're happy with that, because when you use the language of the region you are working, demonstrates cultural sensitivity, respect, which can positively impact your brand's reputation, your business, and relationships. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.